It'd be awfully nice to be able to have them come home to a warm from the oven dinner. But as busy as we are right now, there's no time. Well, unless we depend on an old favorite, a quick and easy one. Watch this, and it'll work with any brands at all, not just the ones that are here. In a baking dish, we put 3 cups of hot cooked elbow macaroni. We mix in a can of cream of mushroom soup, 1½ cups of a shredded cheddar cheese, and a ½ cup of picante sauce or salsa. Now, we give it about 25 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Then we sprinkle on a ½ cup of crushed tortilla chips and another ½ cup of cheese. Now we give it another 5 minutes. Macaroni and cheese. It's our old-fashioned, but teamed with our new favorite Tex-Mex excitement. But this could be the base for having a different excitement every night, no matter how busy we are. Well, because it's just adding. Sure, if we added some cut-up cooked chicken or turkey to the mixture, that's a full meal. Maybe there was some leftover steak in the fridge, cut up into it, wow. Or ham, or it can be canned chicken or canned tuna, salmon. Now my favorite is simply a package of frozen mixed veggies as a super side dish. Well, look how many different meals with one easy favorite base. And if you'd like the recipe, just send a self-addressed stamped envelope marked Ready Mac and Cheese to me, Mr. Food, right here at the station. We'll get it back to you for getting a lot of smiles with the same easy, so we love it, and they love us. Well, why not? With all the, ooh, it's so good. Oh, oh.